Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best compact ellipticals that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the InMotion E1000 Compact Elliptical Trainer. If you wish to enhance your fitness and overall health, the Stamina InMotion E1000 Compact machine is a good pick. The elliptical trainer allows you to exercise from almost anywhere. It can be your home, workplace, or even outdoors. It's a mobile product which does not call for great assembly or lots of skill. In fact, as a beginner, you'll find it pretty easy to assemble. The device consists of reliable and effective resistance that can put up with the workout. Moreover, it's mobile thanks to the compact nature and carry-friendly design. You'll be thrilled by its excellent endurance and durability. It will deal with light as well as intense exercise as well. It runs effectively and targets the heart, muscles, joints, respiratory system, and numerous other locations. You can conveniently use it in quiet environments without concern since it's fairly quiet. It consists of textured long-lasting foot pedals that run well. The possibility of your feet slipping, especially in extreme use, is very low thanks to the sturdy steel construction. The solid nature will give good service for a long time. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Compact Elliptical. You will appreciate the Stamina Elliptical machine. It's an excellent option if you want to boost your wellness, cardio as well as overall health. It fits people that intend to begin or are currently working out. The unit is quite practical and is effective on many body parts. These consist of the heart, arms, legs, abs, back, butts, shoulders, and much more. It likewise aids to tone the muscular tissues and also in shedding excess calories. The resistance is great and also easy to adjust. This best compact elliptical is mobile, compact, and does not need way too much space. It, nonetheless, can handle heavy users well thanks to the steel structure. The multiple options allow you to pick the most suitable. This will depend on the desired results as well as the target location. The accessory is sturdy, stable, and also long-lasting. Moreover, it's not noisy and also doesn't vibrate a lot. With this machine, cardio workout will be less complicated. At number 3, we have the 2-in-1 under-desk elliptical stepper. This workout machine is created for people that want to boost their heart health. It's not huge or also too heavy, and this boosts handling and carrying too. It ought to fit underneath the work desk, and this enables you to use it while at the workplace. The item is efficient, effective, and also very versatile. It will work out many areas, including the arms, legs, muscles, tissues, and more. It's basic in nature and also easy to carry. Moreover, it takes little space and will handle stress, weight, and movements rather well. Like other great choices, it's extremely simple to use, and this suits it even for novices. The accessory runs seamlessly and quietly. It's made from steel to maintain the use and to last a very long time. The foot pedals have a remarkable layout to give excellent assistance and a non-slip texture to reduce slippage. It's a well-crafted product that will look okay in most places. At number 2, we have the fully assembled magnetic under-desk elliptical. Improving your cardio health and wellness need not feel like a fight. With the Sunny Health and Fitness elliptical machine, you'll have an easier time working out. It nicely fits underneath the desk and you can use it from the home, office, and many other locations. It's a small and compact machine for very easy carrying and also takes up minimal storage space. And although smaller than most, it takes care of the job and weight quite well. It's ideal for newbies and competent people and is made of sturdy steel to manage the use. It is additionally strong and stays solid in the picked location. It's not loud and therefore, can be used in silent surroundings. We like the trendy nature which mixes well with various configurations. It is straightforward to get on and off it, and it does not vibrate or move in use. The individual is consequently not likely to slip thanks to the textured non-slip surfaces. Assembling this machine takes a short time and is also easy to accomplish. And finally at number 1, we have the Underdesk StandUp Mini Elliptical. If you want a very basic but reliable compact elliptical machine, then this piece by Idear should be okay. It's one of the easiest to put together and will take less than 5 minutes. However, although basic and easy to assemble, it is quite strong and stable. It won't shake or move anyhow during use. Moreover, it operates smoothly and also doesn't emit lots of noise. Like other good pieces, it is ideal for use in a wide array of situations. These include the home, office, and more. We love the versatile nature that allows you to exercise many different parts. These include the abs, shoulders, chest, heart and arms and more. Moreover, it has a nice design for extra stability. Some consumers, however, yes, that it's not very effective from the standing positions. The integrated LCD gives you the parameters of your workout. You can also use it to set goals and targets. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.